Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we will see uninstall Chocolatey. Okay. So in our previous videos, as part of this playlist, we have seen that how to install Chocolatey in your machine. So how to install softwares using using the Chocolatey, and how to install multiple packages. Okay. How to uninstall the packages or softwares using Chocolatey. Now we are uninstalling Chocolatey itself, not softwares. The Chocolatey itself. If sometimes if you want to uninstall Chocolatey, so what is the procedure? Just for knowledge purpose. Okay. So first, let's check whether Chocolatey is installed in your machine or not. So for that, go to the command prompt and right click, run as administrator. So this is the one. You just type Choco and hit enter. Okay. So it is giving me the version of the Chocolatey 0.10.15 means the Chocolatey is installed in your machine. Now how to uninstall this? Okay. So there is a procedure in the official website only. So what is that? If you go to this location, chocolatey.org/docs/uninstallation. Okay. So if you go to this location, give me 1 second. Okay. So this is the location you see, chocolatey.org/docs.uninstallation. So when you come here, you see here it is mentioned uninstalling Chocolatey. Okay. So here you need to do two things. The folder. See, most of the Chocolatey is contained in C program data Chocolatey. Okay. Or some $environment Chocolatey install evaluates 2. So you can simply delete the folder. So you need to delete the folder which is there in the C program file, program data Chocolatey. And another thing you need to do is, you see in the environment variables, go to environment variables. You will find some of the options: Chocolatey install, Chocolatey tools location, Chocolatey last path update, and some path. Okay. So if you remove these folders and these environment variables, you are done. Okay. So we'll see that now. For that, what is the procedure we need to do? One is delete the Chocolatey folder from program data folder. Okay. This is first one. And the second one is remove or delete Chocolatey information from environment variables. Okay. So environment variables. These are the two things we need to do. Okay. Give me 1 second. So now we'll go to the folder in the program data. So this PC, C drive, program data here. If you're not able to see, you see hidden items. If you uncheck, you will not find. Go to the view, check this hidden items checkbox, this one. So then we'll see program data. If you go into that, you'll find one of the folders called Chocolatey. You see that inside that you'll have some chocolate information. Inside that you have .chocolatey. If you open this, you will find all the packages or softwares which you installed here. You can see all these things here. Okay. So go to the program data. You can directly shift delete or delete. Right click, delete. Okay. It might give some. Okay. You see that? Hit deleted. Okay. So now we'll check Choco is there or not. We better to take a fresh command prompt. So I'll check again Choco here. You see that Chocopi is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. So it is not there now. You cannot install anything. If you want to install VLC, Choco install VLC. If I hit enter, you see that VLC is not there. So to completely uninstall, go to the environment variables. I will go here. This PC, right click on this PC, go to the properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. Now you can see some of the options which we have seen there in the documentation. You see that Chocolatey install, Chocolatey tools location, Chocolatey last path update, something like that. If you have anything like that, you see Chocolatey last path update. Right click, otherwise you just click on this, delete. You see that Chocolatey install in this location. Okay, delete. If in the path, if you find anything, you see that Chocolatey program data, Chocolatey bin. So delete this. Okay, whatever you find related to the Chocolatey, just remove or delete and okay, that's it. Now completely I uninstalled Chocolatey from my machine. Again, if I try, nothing will happen. Already it is showing that Chocolatey is not available. Okay, so this is how you can uninstall Chocolatey itself from your machine. So normally we'll not do this one. So very rare conditions, but for the knowledge purpose, I'm just showing you that already we have seen that how to install, the same way how to uninstall. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for further and interesting updates.